Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make like the recolor stuff. There's two ways to do this. There's the easy way, but you can only do like the two colors, but then like a slightly harder way would get better colors. So let me show you the first version. This is the easy one. Go to adjust HSL and then you pick the color you want to change. I'm gonna pick yellow. And you can only change it to the closest colors. You can change it orange or green. You can also make it saturated or more saturated or less saturated. You can make it darker or lighter. Also to get better colors, you can also do like this to get around. And then there's the harder way, which makes better colors. You can pick any color you want. So what you want to do is select the place where you want to change the color. So I'm gonna do it right here. I want to change this part. Then what you want to do is duplicate the clip and make it an overlay. Put it right under the original clip. What you want to do is silence the clip, or the sounds are going to overlay like that. So you want to make the original clip with 0 volume. What you want to do is go to photos. You're going to go to your photos and pick the color you want. I'm going to pick purple. And then make that overlay. And then what you want to do is make it on top. Wait, no. Actually, no, it doesn't really matter which one's on top. I'm pretty sure. And then make sure the original clip is on top. I mean, like, you can see it. Go to layers and make it so you can see it. And then what you want to do is go to remove BG, chroma key, then click the color you want to remove. And then come to the intensity and the shadow. Intensity, the shadow, and I don't know the feather edge. And this is what feather edge does, and there's cleanup edge, but you need pro for those two. Just use intensity and then shadow to make it look better, like that, and then boom. Watch this. So and this is remove BG, we can make anything. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.